Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kini gilonggi khubor bamta kasngi. Katnat kam jungok kai perthei kalalum ka jingyelang syang bishari ka balakot da menteri kam jungok kai ba apol lingdo ha kasngi baar. Kamat ha ka jingyelang syang bishar kam halor ka jing penteri kam yaki projek baper ki bakot palat saus pa klur tyngka. Nagabenta ka jingroi bat jinggentiu yaki kam jungok kai hapo ka jilla. Kamat baar kadai karai ban penteri kam yaka tourism body scheme menteri haba penmenaru yaka rai ban penteri kam yaka tourism body scheme kaban pensuk yaki nongwan shangkai haba kilet kai shakeleng kijaka jong ka jilla. Ha ka jingyelang bishar kam kadai halor ki kam jungok kai yaka ba piatip ba mentang ilapai haka weipat ka kerdan da ka jingyo jing itu jong ka shillong kum ka jaka balai jit bahada ki nongwan shangkai ha usnem arajar arpsan. Uba polling do uyathu ba commissioner and secretary ba director kila batai benya yau halor ki projek baper ki bakot palat saus pa klur tyngka ki bla penteri kam menta. Kidon katu kat ni ki projek ki bala bay tyngka da ke Asian Development Bank ADB bakot haduh shispa khandai pui klur tyngka bat kumjuru na ke state plan kumta ke Sorkar kelamang ya kesong pisa ba arspa arpnyo klur tyngka na ke benta ki jingtei baper hakeleng ki jaka jong ke jilla Meghalaya ulapinrap. Menteri ulapin tibru bakatanat kan sawan ra no shen ye ke skim ke bakot ke tourism body scheme ke badon kam ke day ye ke samla. Kiban sayo iki jinghi kai bakatu kat ne benai bakin pej eka kampahara yalam lenti kinongwan shangkai bat ru ban pelong kinongwan shangkai bakin sngok aram bakin sa hasilong bat hakiwi ki jaka jong kejela. Ngin sedang da ka kinhun ka bakumbah nyophongut ki samla kani kan sawan hakadur jong ka NIT notice inviting tender kaban sa penmi shen da ka Directorate of Tourism. Ngin sa penmi ya ka NIT haki ki alai sgi banwan na bangi kwa banyo ino yaki haki preng tayo jong unai wing namar kani ka por jong ka samoy shangkai ulaong. Ngin penti kena bagi ni trailang barki dorbar barki society baper haki jaka bakran ka jingwan kinong shangkai ki tourism body. Kum kinong lam lenti, kinong yaram, kinong pen kelaktin, barkin yarap ikibriu kibala, banja lenti shani shatai, ong uba pol haba benrap bakini ki tourism body, kin don haki jaka babun kinong wan shangkai kum karlat lum, wordslit, krem mausmai, krem arwa, no kalikai, dan tren, maulenong, maukdok gafling, shnong pedeng, kerang suri bat kiwe. Menteri ula syang bishar kamru halor ke Shillong Ropeway projek bat pentip ki kam kilayat hagalenti ka badai bat haki pedeng tayo unai wing ka jing pentrei kan sasedang no. Nalor kani uba apol ula pentip baya katamasa cherry blossom ba arsngi ka badai katamasa ba pau ba. On sa wan ban pli perda da menteri ka donna. Ha ka jingya don lang menteri rang ba ka jilla bat menteri kam jengok kai ha ka khatsan terik unai wing. Ngidang ya ap ya kajing penti kenana ke Sorkar, kari Japan kaban sapha ya ki he ki han ban ya don lang, ha kani kata masa na mar kani kandai kasin beningkong bangilaya trailang bat kari banabar ulaong. Ula benram baka LIT festival ru kan salong haka khatnyo bat khat praturik unai wing, bat gansadon shibun kinong thokot bapau nam ki banwani shim penta.
The review done today was on tourism. Which, as you all are well aware, is now touching a new level, with Shillong being the most preferred tourist destination for 2025. And today the Commissioner and Secretary and the Director briefed me about the various projects that are being undertaken. We have a total number of projects funded by the Asian Development Bank amounting to 191 crore rupees, and also from the state plan we have earmarked an amount of 227 crore rupees for the various infrastructural activities in various parts of the state of Meghalaya. That apart, I would also like to share with you that we are shortly, as I stated the other day, we are shortly coming up with a scheme for called the Tourism Buddy Scheme deployment, where we will deploy youths who will be given short duration training to handle matters of security, guiding visitors, and generally making their stay in Shillong and other parts of the state comfortable. So we will begin with a batch of roughly 70 such youths. So this will come out by way of an NIT, which will be floated by the Directorate of Tourism shortly. On the Cherry Blossom Festival, which is a prestigious event and has earned a brand of its own, the two-day festival will be inaugurated on the 15th of November by the donor minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia, on the 15th of November in the presence of both the Chief Minister and myself. We are also waiting confirmation from the government of Japan as to which dignitary will attend the festival, as this is for the first time that we are partnering with a foreign country. So that apart, on the 18th and 19th, we will also have the Lit Fest, where renowned writers like Vikram Seth, Shobade, Kenpam Nongkandri, and we are also expecting William Dal Trimble to be part of the fest. We also did a review of the Ropeway, the Shillong Ropeway project. Things are on track, and by mid-November, work will start on the ground. Yeah. We will pay them, and we will ensure that we also collaborate with the various societies and local darbars where tourism has gained a strong foothold. But as guides, they'll act as helpers, they'll act as interpreters, they'll help people who might lose their way around. All those multifarious activities will happen. We don't call them police because people might get scared. So we call them tourism buddies. They are your friends. They'll not beat you up. Areas with huge tourist inflow, for instance, like Luom, Watts Lake, Mau Smike Cave, Arwak Cave, No Kalikai, Danklen, Mau Lenong and Riwai, Mau Kudok, Golf Links, Mau Plang, Shnong Pedeng, Karang Suri, Nokrek, Omiam Lake. On a package, we were working out on a package. We should be able to finalize things in the next 2 weeks or so. The entire control will be with the state government, but we will handhold the stakeholders. For instance, I think you will realize this, that most of these areas which I named are not government properties. They are owned by local communities. So you can't really call it a tourism police. They are more to assist visitors, and we will work in sync with the local communities. Talking of passenger trains, come to us in writing. When the proposal comes, we will examine it. I think 2 meetings have been taken by the director with the association concerned. The association has been asked to submit in black and white their suggestions for that reciprocal arrangement, which they say exists in other states. So once that proposal comes from them, we will take a call. But the director has been talking to these various groups. Was also invited to the series of meetings. They are in the loop. and we have plans which we will disclose at the appropriate point of time once we are ready to put it into action.
And the same
We will come up with a proper contingency plan. Uh, the no doubt the challenges will be there, but it is also a fact that these are huge investments we are making in order to uplift the economy of Meghalaya. So the traffic plans will be in place, and we will ensure that there is minimum discomfort to road users. Now, for instance, Cherry Blossom, which attracts the maximum number of visitors, will be at the RBDCA ground, which is accessible from all sides and therefore invites minimum inconvenience to travelers.